Khalistani sympathizer Jagmeet Singh has joined the chorus demanding Justin Trudeau's resignation. This comes amidst Canadian Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland's exit, citing the Trudeau government's inaction on the struggles faced by Canadians. Now, Jagmeet Singh has stated that instead of dealing with issues that are important for Canadians, Justin Trudeau is dealing with fighting in his own party. It is clear that he cannot continue. What's interesting is that up until a few months ago, Trudeau enjoyed the backing of the Jagmeet Singh-led New Democratic Party. Now, as Canada's political crisis continues to brew, does Trudeau's job hang by a thread is the big question here. Pia, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast. Pia, very important to understand that these were important members of the cabinet and the support system that Trudeau enjoyed for the last few years. They backing out definitely guarantees that his stint at the top is short-lived.
Indeed, the trouble seems to be mounting for, in fact, Justin Trudeau, as you rightly put it, Vineet. We've just seen his Deputy Prime Minister, who was also serving as the Finance Minister, Chrystia Freeland, having exited his cabinet. What happened was she had in fact penned down a lengthy letter. Over there she had stated that Trudeau had initially asked her to step down as the Finance Minister and that she was offered, in fact, another portfolio within the Trudeau cabinet. But now what we're getting to know and what she has revealed in her letter was that there was some sort of tiff over Trump's tariff threats. We've seen Donald Trump consistently state that he's looking at making Canada the 51st state of the U.S. Now, we don't know whether those are serious claims or whether he will follow up on that or not, but there seems to have been a tiff between Justin Trudeau and Mr. The Deputy Prime Minister Freeland, Chrystia Freeland, over this. So she had exited the cabinet, and now, of course, Jagmeet Singh has come out and made a fresh demand. Now, why this is interesting is because Jagmeet Singh had backed Trudeau for years. He had just, in fact, pulled away his support just a few months back. He is the head of the New Democratic Party in Canada. He holds the balanced numbers of seats that had kept Trudeau in power. Elections, of course, in Canada are on the anvil. And, of course, we've seen Trudeau face a lot of troubles. Trudeau has been consistently raking up the Khalistan issue with India rather than sorting out his own affairs within his country and the economic affairs and the economic troubles that are being faced by the people. It seems that Jagmeet Singh's now withdrawal of support and now out and out demand for Trudeau's resignation does mean that Trudeau is now in troubled waters. Whether he'll hold on to his position or not remains to be seen. That's all we have for now, Vineet.
All right, Pia, appreciate you joining us. On that note, we